second grade. This is Miss Moline again. Welcome back to the Teaching Shack for 7.2 of math. So we're going to go ahead, do a really quick recap because you guys are so awesome. Really quick recap on what we learned yesterday because we went through our 3 coins yesterday. So we went through, here is the front of a penny. Here's the back of a penny. There we go. And then it is worth 1 cent. So this is our least valued coin. Okay, it's our coin of least value. Our next coin, remember, that's 1 cent. The coin after that we learned, here is a nickel. There's the front of our nickel, the back of our nickel. And look, what's really cool about these coins, you can see actually, if you ever have a question, just, if you ever have a question of how much it's worth, look on the back. 5 cents, okay? So a nickel is worth 5 cents. Now we also have a dime, which funny enough is just a little bit smaller than a nickel, but worth double, okay? So there's the front of our dime. Here's the back of our dime, and it says 1 dime, and it is worth 10 cents, okay? So now we're gonna go ahead and introduce our new one. All right, guys, so our next and last coin that we're going to go over is our quarter. And our quarter is really cool because it's worth, well, here's the front of our quarter. Okay, put that down right here. Here is the back of our quarter right here. It's actually our biggest coin. I don't know if you've noticed. And something that you'll notice, actually, if you have quarters at home, if you look on the ridges, they actually have little, if you look on the edges, it has little ridges in there. So you can see that that is also a difference of the quarter. The quarter and the dime has that. So there's the back of a quarter. And the quarter is actually our one that is worth the most in our change that we're going to go over today. It's worth 25 cents. Remember, we need to make our small c with our dash in between like that. And then we can also write right here, 25 cents. Okay, now what's really cool about the quarter is basically 4 quarters make $1. Okay, so that's kind of where quarters came from, to let you know that 1 quarter is worth 25 cents. 4 altogether are worth $1. So if you add 25 and 25 together, you get 50 cents. You add another 25, you get 75 cents. And then after that is a whole $1. So 25 plus 25 plus 25 plus 25 is $1. All right, guys, I just wanted to go through one more time. Right here, we see our penny. Our penny is copper. It's worth 1 cent, which can be written with a $sign and a decimal point. Okay, here's the back of a penny. Here's how we've been writing it. Here's our nickel. Our nickel is worth 5 cents. 5 cents. Here's our dime. Our dime is worth 10 cents and 10 cents. And now we're going to add our quarter to our wall. So our quarter is worth 25 cents. Here's the front of our quarter, the back of our quarter, and then here it is in 25 cents. Okay, let's add that to our wall. All right, guys, now that we have been through our penny, our nickel, our dime, and now our quarter, we're going to start counting with all of them. Now, the Teaching Shack is still going through a little bit of reconstruction, so we don't have complete lighting in here like I was hoping that we would. So we've got our light right here, and then Evie also has my light on my phone. So we're working on this. Okay, so I want you to be able to see what I did was I just took what we counted yesterday and I took some of it off and I replaced some of it with some other things. So remember, when you're counting, the best thing to do is to always start with your highest value. So right here, I went ahead and I sorted my money And I have my quarter up here. And we know now that our quarter is worth 25 cents. Okay, now we're going to add our dime to it. So 25 plus 10 is 35. We gotta have our cent sign and our comma to separate all of our change. Then we have our nickel, 25, 35, add 5 more, 40. And then we have 2 pennies. All I'm doing is adding one at a time. 41 cents, 42 cents. So the value of these coins right here is 42 cents. 25, 35, 40, 41, 42. Now our next row right here. Also, again, remember, I start with my greatest value coin. Then I work my way down. So I have 25 with my comma. Put another quarter on there. I know that 25 and 25 together gives me 50. 25, 50. Then I have my dime, adding 10 more, 60. Then I have my nickel, 65. Gotta add 5 more. Then I have another nickel, 70. And then still having my commas, still having my cent symbol. And then I just have 1 penny, 71 cents. So my total value here for this group of coins is 71 cents. 25, 50, 60, 65, 70, 71. All right, guys, here it is by lantern light. Okay, so you did a good job today. Make sure that you get onto Think Central. Watch your bear video for 7.2. I hope you did that for 7.1 yesterday, and take your quiz. Okay, good job counting. I will see you tomorrow. All right, goodbye, guys.